Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Superp on Binance Alpha. As you know, Superp just get listed on Binance Alpha and I will show you how to buy it. First, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box in the top here. And then you can search Superp. Search it and you will find SUP SUP on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the chart. As you can see, it's not looking good, I think, but there is a potential to get higher. So you can also click info here and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is not bad. You can also check their website and their social media. Also, there is an audit. You can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom. And then you can choose limit order. You can put the amount, it's up to you, and the amount of the SUP. Also, you can choose instant. You can swap your USDC or other token to SUP. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.